Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video we'll discuss the top 7 best personal blenders, so let's get started. Number 7. Oster BLSTPB-WPK. When it comes to making single-serve smoothies and protein shakes, you can't beat the Oster My Blend Personal Blender. Everything, fruit, ice, veggie, sand, more, can be blended directly in the sport bottle, so there's no excessive dishes. Despite a lower wattage in tests, the machine received a perfect score for grinding whole coffee beans and a great score for preparing a thick frozen margarita. Just don't expect the 250-watt machine to tackle tougher foods like leafy greens. Simply fill the jar, twist on to blend, then replace the blade with the portable lid. You don't have to stress about tossing the whole thing in your bag either. The tight-fitting lid has a strong seal that won't leak even when turned upside down. Number 6. Hamilton Beach Personal Blender. Though the most affordable pick on the list by more than a few dollars, this personal blender holds its own in tests. The 175-watt motor was able to make a super smooth and creamy milkshake, but was less effective when faced with firm foods such as coffee beans or ice cubes. Markings on the cup are extra helpful for quick and easy preppers. There's no need to dirty any additional measuring cups or spoons in the process. The 14-ounce cup is easy to transport too, thanks to a tapered design that fits well in cup holders. As a bonus, the cord wraps tightly around the base for easy storage. Number 5. Magic Bullet Blender. This hard-working machine does more than whirl smoothies. It also chops, mixes, whips and grinds for maximum versatility, and because the 11-piece set comes with an impressive array of extras like 3 blender cups, one with a convenient carry handle, and multiple lids, you can make full use of all functions without having to wash or transfer any chopped goods to other storage containers. While the bullet itself doesn't take up much countertop space, testers lamented the extra storage required for all of the accessories. Number 4. Equals 0.5s, greater than BLACK+DECKER FusionBlade. In tests, this high-powered personal blender received a nearly perfect score in performance, effectively grinding coarse coffee beans and blending smooth and thick smoothies, milkshakes, and margaritas. It was also incredibly easy to use, checking off all the boxes and convenience. The manual is clear and concise, the jar is easy for both righties and lefties to maneuver, and has a fully dishwasher-safe jar. Another huge bonus? Though exceptionally powerful, the motor was one of the quietest we tested. Great for early risers who don't want to wake roommates or family members. Number 3. Cuisinart CPB-300-350. Though a hair bigger than other personal blenders, this machine is still compact enough to be included in the category. In tests, it was very good at grinding coffee beans and blending fruit smoothies. And if you're constantly whirling up smoothies or regularly serve more than 1 to 2 people, the Cuisinart is a great upgrade to other personal blenders. It comes with a 32-ounce jar, complete with measurement markings on the side. To make those bigger servings, you'll also get 4 16-ounce portable cups with tight-fitting lids, so each person can grab theirs and go. Or create their own personalized smoothie without the need to wash anything but the blade between users. Number 2. Ninja Nutri Pro Compact. If you rely on the nutrition you get from green smoothies each morning, try this personal blender, which has tough-as-nails blades that work to extract hidden nutrition from fruits and veggies by blending whole fruits and vegetables, including portions like rinds, peels, and seeds. Though we recommend de-seeding first, washing is simple. Either pop the cups in the dishwasher or fill to the max fill line with warm water and a drop of dish detergent, then pulse a few times. Number 1. Frigidaire ESMM 100. Most personal blenders look utilitarian and ready to hide in the pantry, but this one has an attractive retro look that gives it some personality, so it will look good living on the counter for daily use. It has a 300-watt motor that operates at 2 speeds for efficient blending, and the quirky chrome side lever starts and stops the blend. It includes a large 20.3-ounce plastic drinking jar, a glass mason jar with a handle, and 2 lids. While this does include a glass mason jar, the threads on the blender are not compatible with standard canning jars, so they can't be used as replacements.